Here is another question one of our viewers had. They wanted to know how you could lay out a set of winder stairs if you had a wall that was not square, and this might be a larger problem in older homes. And you can do it two ways because the inside measurements are more critical than the outside measurements. So as long as you have your minimum width distances for the stairway, then I don't see where this would be a problem. If you came square off of one of the walls, you could use either wall and then extend the length of these treads or move it over to where both of these sides are going to be the same and the minimum distance. Now keep in mind, this is only an example. 3 foot probably won't work for your stairway unless it's allowed to die into the corner, because most of the building codes today require a 6-inch minimum inside step measurement for winders. So again, this is just an example for education purposes only. And I do have a book on how to build winder stairs. You can find it at our website. So make sure you check those out. And if you do have enough room, you might be able to rebuild the walls to where they're square as another option also. And now for another problem you're going to run into. If you build the stairs to where there's going to be a 90-degree angle here, they are going to be square off of these square lines here. Then you can see where we're going to have a problem here. And doing this probably won't work. If I was going to build the stairs here and extend this step forward, and it's going to be more than 3/8 of an inch, it's probably going to create a problem for another building code. Something else that might or might not work, I'm going to throw it out there though, would be to extend the winder step here, make the upper winder step, this one here, a little longer. Something else that might work for you, and I don't see a problem with extending each one of the steps to meet the wall. And I don't see a problem with this design either. If you're working with an inside wall that is also out of square, you can still go up the stairway and, in my opinion, meet most of the building codes that I've worked with, even though I've never ran into a situation like this. And hopefully some of this makes sense. However, if it does not, feel free to leave any questions you have in the comment area. Another suggestion might be to check with your local building inspectors or contractors in your area, especially if you live in an area with older homes. These individuals might have already dealt with a situation like this and have better suggestions.